Today we're trying the treats that we got from Japan.
We're going to start off with all of the green tea matcha flavored things, which are a lot, so let's get into it.
We got these.
Something matcha.
Something matcha.
I think it might be chocolate. Cheers. It's not like it's phyllo dough, but it tastes like a crunchy version of that to me. It's quite pretty good. It's covered just like in matcha chocolate.
It's extremely dry.
Item number 2, another item that's green tea. And I think they're, you know those like wafer straws?
Yeah.
I think it's like that. Yeah. And then it's supposed to be like cream filled on the center, so.
These are weird. These are good, but these are weird.
The like inside feels like it's like fresh whipped cream.
Yeah.
Like it's like light and fluffy. I think I like these better than the first ones.
Yeah. I like those. Subscribe for part 2.